This tutorial review will show you how to send or how to transfer music from PC to iPhone. The easiest way to send or transfer music from computer to iPhone is using shareit. So download and install the shareit app on your computer, then open it. Now click on show QR code. Now go to your iPhone and open shareit. Tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Tap on Connect PC Mac. Tap on Connect PC Mac and scan the QR code. And then your computer and iPhone will be connected. Then on your computer, click on Files. Now simply select the music, which one you want to transfer to your iPhone. And as you can see, the music is transferring. And that's how we can transfer music from computer to iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.